Who will I be talking to? You'll be talking to a real person. Hi. Someone who actually gets it. I've talked to thousands of people who are navigating divorce, and almost all of them start in the same place, feeling overwhelmed, unsure where to begin, and worried they're going to make a mistake that costs them time, money, or peace. That's why this call exists. Each of us on the team comes from different backgrounds. Some of us have legal experience, others have worked in coaching or client care, but what we all share is a deep understanding of the divorce process and a commitment to helping you move forward. And we're not doing this alone. We're backed by Hello Divorce, a platform that's helped thousands of people just like you take control of their divorce without getting dragged into a long, expensive fight. So, no, you're not calling a bot. You're not calling a call center. You're calling someone who's here to listen and guide you through your options and help you feel a little more in control starting today.
Most people leave this call saying, okay, now I know what to do next. And that's the whole point. This isn't a sales call, it's a no pressure conversation. I'm not a salesperson. To be honest, I actually have zero background in selling. But what I do have experience is talking to thousands of people just like you who are navigating divorce and helping them cut through all the noise. Together, we're going to talk about where you're at right now, how divorce works in your state, and what your next best move could be, whether that's one of our plans, mediation, legal help, or something else entirely. What's important to remember is you are in control of the process, and I'm just here to make it feel a whole lot easier.
Do I need to prepare anything? You don't need to prepare a single thing. Just come as you are. We know this part of the process can feel really overwhelming, like you have to have all your papers in order or have answers to every single question, and you don't. But if you want to make the most out of your call, bring your biggest concern. That's the thing that's taking up the most space in your head. Is it parenting? Is it money? Is it whether you've made the right choice? You can share as little or as much as you want. We'll guide the conversation and make sure that you walk away with something meaningful, something useful, even if you're still figuring it out.
This isn't a legal advice call, but it is probably one of the most important conversations that you can have early on in the divorce process. And here's why. Most people jump straight to hiring a lawyer when what they actually need is a strategy. I always say, you wouldn't go to the dentist if you had back pain, would you? So, same thing here. If what you need is help understanding your budget, understanding what to do with your home, or simply getting organized, we're here to help you figure out who the right professional is to quickly solve that issue efficiently and affordably. This call is simply about getting clear on the type of divorce you want, your relationship with your spouse, your goals, and your budget, so you can make smart decisions about the kind of support you actually need. If you want to keep things out of the court and get through this as quickly as possible without costly human error, then guess what? Software might actually be the best solution here. And if you do need a lawyer or a mediator, we'll point you in the right direction and help you use their time wisely. So no, we won't be giving you legal advice, but we will help you understand all of your options and walk away with a plan that you can trust.
So, what happens after the call? After we talk, you'll have more clarity about your situation and the options in front of you. You'll come away with a clear direction and the right resources so you know what to expect and how to move ahead with confidence. And if you aren't ready to make a move yet, that's completely fine. You can go at your own pace and we'll be here whenever you're ready. This call is a great starting point because it gives you a chance to take some of the weight off your shoulders so you can feel more grounded and in control.
At Hello Divorce, we believe no one should have to stay in an unhealthy or unhappy marriage just because the process feels too overwhelming or too expensive. We built what we wish we had, a smarter, more supportive, more human way to get divorced. This isn't a one size fits all service. We meet you where you are with personalized tools and plans based on what you need, whether that's emotional support, expert strategy, help with the paperwork, or someone to handle the court logistics for you. And unlike other sites, we're not just an online form filler or a tech only solution, integrating everything in one place. You'll have access to Hallie, our AI powered legal guide, real people who check your forms for accuracy, court specialists who keep things moving, and divorce navigators who help you stay on track and make strategic choices. We believe you can do good and do well. You can protect your peace and your legal rights. So, whether you're using our platform, chatting with an expert, or starting with a free call, our goal is the same: to help you move forward with clarity, confidence, and dignity. You don't have to spend $10,000 on a lawyer to get a great result. You just need the right support, and that's exactly what we're here to give you.